What's going on, everybody? It's Gameboyswag. So today we're going to change the battery in a Pokémon Red cartridge. The things you're going to need is a security bit screwdriver that fits a Game Boy, a CR2025 battery. I purchased 20 of them off of eBay for $10, and you're going to need a soldering iron along with some solder. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to undo the screw in the back. Okay, and then you're going to take the game apart. So it's going to slide apart, and you just pop it out. So here's your board. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to desolder the battery out of there. So you're going to do this and just undo it and do the same thing to the other side. And just like that, the old battery is out. Then you're going to want to put your new battery in. So this is the new one from eBay. And you're just going to want to stick it on there, line it up with the little circle that it had marked from the factory. And you just want to put it back on there and cover it up with solder. Okay, that's one side. And then cover the side up. I try to make sure it's pressed down so it gets on the contacts good. And hold your finger on it and blow it. So I normally just stick it back in the little case and then try it out. So let's see. Alright, so I started a new game. You're going to want to press start and save it. Okay. Turn it off, then turn it back on. And let's see if we have a saved game file. And there you have it.